everyone, you can watch my videos in your first language now. Click the settings button, audio track, and select a language of your choice. Like Portuguese.
E detalhado sobre o vídeo do Starboard, configurar niveles e outras funções.
3% लोगों ने ही मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब.
Di video kali ini, saya akan menunjukkan cara
皆
mengatur
さん、こんにちは。このビデオでは、スタトックの設定方法。
You'll find other options too, like French, German, Italian, and Polish. So enjoy! Discord and Blue Protocol Star Resonance game have partnered up and giving away 700 orbs. But there's a trick. But before that, subscribe to my YouTube channel now so you get quick updates about free Nitro and orbs. Now, before learning about the trick, I'll explain what the Blue Protocol Star Resonance game is. It's similar to Genshin or Wuthering Waves if you know what they are. But when you click download, it doesn't support your region. So change your location to the United States using a VPN and download the game. You need to also download Discord PC app for this. Go to the quest and click Quest Accepted. Now it will track your progress here. Another thing is, you can snag this avatar frame from Black Phone too if you want to. But change your location to the US and refresh your Discord to see this quest. Not gonna lie, it looks cool. Anyway, if you like this video, hit the like and subscribe button and join my Discord server for free decors and layouts.